Some boats you visit, this one you disappear into. The Sunreef 100 Next just launched, and it runs on nothing but sun and wind. Built in Gdansk, Poland, by Sunreef Yachts. This is their biggest sailing hull yet, and the first one just hit the water this summer. No engines burning fuel here. Solar panels feed the batteries, the hydro generators pick up the slack under sail, and the whole platform moves in near silence. No exhaust in the cockpit, no vibration underfoot. You hear the water, not the motor. Aft deck drops into an ocean lounge. Jet skis tucked into a garage you'd never notice. Bulwarks fold flat into a seaside terrace, right at the waterline. 42 feet of beam behind you. Toy chest and dive gear. Steps from the swim platform. Foredeck terrace up top for the slow mornings. Flybridge lounge under the shade sail for the long afternoons. 94 feet of hull, and every inch of it built for being outside. Built to keep going for as long as the wind and sun hold out. Over 5,300 square feet of living space on board, and none of it feels like a boat show. It feels like a coastline you get to keep, one you could carry across an ocean if the mood struck. This isn't a yacht you photograph at the dock. It's the one you're already living on before the marina wakes up. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.